Alright, so this is step one of the numbers tracker. So if you look at this top number over here, it says total members. You don't have to mess with that, right? That'll automate or automatically populate. So if you look down here, it says scheduled consultations, right? So I'm going to go into and start figuring this out. Now there's two places that I want to figure this out from. There's Zen Planner and there's Acuity. My first go-to is Acuity because most personal training is ran through Acuity. So once you get to Acuity, it'll look something like this. And basically, you're going to click on Reports, and then you're going to come down here. Now, it very simply says 9 and 2. I wouldn't take that for granted. I would go View Appointments, and then I would kind of come down. I already canceled this one, so that one's not counting. The Sally Sue, that was just one that we did as an example. But for example, this one would totally count. So this is a scheduled appointment for Debbie G. It's scheduled for tomorrow at 6 p.m. So you would count that. Then you would just kind of continue going down. And then you can see, this is why we don't just take that number for granted. This one says Sarah Kaiser, or whatever her last name is. She also has a 13-year-old girl named Scarlett. So that would be two intro classes that took place, and I would mark those. Then I'm just going to continue going down, make sure there's no other ones. So that's a personal training. Franco. So this one happened. This was a free intro class, and I believe this was the mother. So this is actually Paulina Adkins, but I would just go down. I would count that one. It's just the number. You don't have to actually put the name. That's an adult intro. And then down here we have Gabriel, who came at 7 a.m. on Monday for an intro. So I would tack that one. I would just kind of have a piece of paper out or whatever. And then I would continue to go down. There was an intro with Charlotte Dupuis, whatever her last name is. And then we had an intro session with you. And I wouldn't count that. I was just scheduling that, so I knew that I had an interview with you. And then Nicole, so that was another intro session that we ran January 15th. And then I'm just coming down. Here's a fun and free. Here's another fun and free. I would mark that, right? Those are separate ones. And then I'm just going to come all the way down. And that looks like it's about it. Oh, there's also this Sebastian. Right, so we had Sebastian come through and try a free class. So I would go through there, and then the second place that I would look is on Zen Planner. So when you get to Zen Planner, it looks like this. I would click on Calendar, and then I would go to Month View. Once I'm in this month view, I have January pulled up, I can kind of just look through these. I'm looking for free class alerts. So this is anybody that may have dropped in, like a +1. I'm not noticing any. And nobody showed up to fun and free on the 5th. So I'm just kind of coming down. I'm going through. No free. Oh, somebody in this free trial. Who was that? Nope, that was fine. So just coming through. Okay, fun and free. So there's 2 more kids here. Just make sure they're not the same. Yeah, we already got those guys. Awesome. And then make sure. Yeah, we got these guys. They're all the same. Coming through on the next fun and free, we got 4 kids that are signed up. I believe these are all members. So you can tell they all have memberships. Don't worry about those kids. And then I'm just coming through. This is the last weekend. And then these guys did their free trial. So I would. This is Grant Stratton and Liam Stratton. So go ahead and mark those guys down under the fun and free trial. So it's 4 fun and frees. So you got to check both of these. You got to check under the Acuity reports, and you also got to check under the Zen Planner calendar. They both kind of back each other up. to make sure you get the correct number, and then you just hit the numbers tracker. So whatever that was, whatever it was, like 14 or whatever. So January, you would hit 14, and so let's say it was 14. And then you'll notice like I have these little extra ones over here that kind of say what they were. So what I want to do, how I get that, I right click once I'm there, and then I open this up, and then I'll put insert note. Right, when I have that insert note, boom, it'll give me a little box, and that's where I can put, see, 1 contact reached, 2 kids scheduled for the weekend, so these guys actually showed up. I'll put that down here. Right, and I can just kind of document the people that scheduled, and then most of those people showed up because they were actually checked in on Zen Planner or on Acuity, unless Acuity says canceled. That's pretty much it. So that'll give you both these first 2 numbers here, scheduled and conducted consultations.